welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about how to remove the dark circles, or the other words we can call them the anti-aging, under eye skin. Yeah, I mean, so far those are the only two words that people use them. So I am among the people who have been experiencing and how to remove the dark circles under my eye and above my eye, and it has been a tough thing lately, but I've got some remedies and some stuff that may be useful to you so that you can get to remove them. And I know there are a lot of people out there who have been experiencing such thing, have been, seeing such things, and may think that it's maybe lack of sleep or anything, but there are actually a lot of reasons why a person can get under eye skin. And if this is the first time tuning in, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification, because there's a lot of stuff that you might miss and you don't want to do that. You know how it feels like to have eyes like a raccoon. You wake up in the morning, you look at yourself in the mirror, and then boom, dark circles under your eyes and above your eyes. I know that feeling, and I am here to help you remove that feeling. So if you keep up with me till the end of the video, you're gonna know the reasons and the causes and how to remove them in a couple of days, just like the way I did. Just a few days left, I guess, but it's something and nothing. Dark circles can affect anyone at any age, with plenty of reasons that could cause underage. People may also find out allergies, nutrient deficiency, or underlying health conditions can also lead to development of dark circles. Here are actually the reasons why dark circles can be caused. It could be lack of sleep, allergies, lack of sleep, or poor sleeping habits. As a human being, we all need 8 hours to rest and our body to relax, but some people may be sleeping maybe 4 hours, they sleep late night, and come up here and complain that I'm having dark circles, and that is because you have a poor sleeping habit. It also could be allergies, I said that already, and we have also aging. Person is too old and this under eye skin just comes out automatically, and there are actually ways to prevent them, but you cannot prevent them completely as a young age person. And also we have smoking also leads to the under eye skin or dark circles. And also we have dehydration, lack of drinking water. We need to drink at least 8 glasses per day in order to our body circulate well, and also to reduce the anti-aging, because that's actually the topic that we are talking about right now, right? You know what time it is? It's time to give out the solution on how to remove these dark circles of ours that we're actually struggling to do so. Our first secret is the spoon. Spoons make a great cold compress for your eyes, especially for your under eye area. A frozen spoon can be used to reduce puffiness around your eyes. After you have left the spoon at the freezer for 15 minutes, place it against your eyes. Leave it until the spoon becomes warm again. Cold metal spoons help to tighten up the skin around your eyes. Do this daily until when you get to see the effectiveness. This does really work. Wakanda forever. Our second secret is the rose water. It protects skin cells around eyes, reducing puffiness and as well as damage to skin cells. All you need to have is 2 soft cotton balls and of course the rose water. That's the one. Fill the soft cotton balls with the rose water. That's number 1. And that's number 2. Leave it to sit for around 2 to 5 minutes before placing it against your eyes. Best do it when you're laying down, because you don't want this to happen to you, but it still works. Leave it for around 15 minutes. Do it twice a day until when you get to see the effectiveness. Our third secret is the vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E helps fight the effect of free radicals that cause signs of aging like wrinkles. So this actually works best overnight. Before you sleep, make sure you wash your face and massage it gently around your eyes. You can do this every single day until when you get to see the effect. And the rest you can just put it all over your face. It's good for the skin as well. The fourth secret is the green tea bags. It can help tighten the skin, alleviate puffiness, remove wrinkles, and soothing tired eyes. All you need to have is take 2 green tea bags, soak them inside hot water and remove the excess water from it. Refrigerate them for around 30 minutes. Take the green tea bags out of the refrigerator and place them against your eyes for around 10 to 15 minutes. Best do it when you're laying down. Do not reuse them. You can do it twice a day. When you're done, take them out and wash your face with lukewarm water because you don't want any green tea residue around our eyes. The fifth secret is the cucumber. It will reduce puffiness and swelling around the eyes. All you need to do is take a fresh cucumber, slice 2 pieces and refrigerate them for around 30 minutes. In this video, we don't have cucumbers, but you can actually imagine having them, right? So take out your 2 fresh cut cucumbers and place them against your eyes for around 10 to 15 minutes. Best do it when you're laying down. You can do this twice a day as well. Do not reuse them. So when you're done around 10 to 15 minutes, take them out and wash your face with lukewarm water. So guys, that's it for today, and please make sure you comment down below whatever step that actually worked on you. And these things do take time, 5 to 7 days, and that's when you get to see the actual result. So just be patient because good things do take time. And before anything, please make sure you like, that's a must, share, no, it's not a must, it's actually a request, and share to 2 to 3 people who have probably been struggling with the dark circles thingy. And also subscribe and turn on the post notification because there's a lot of stuff coming on and you don't want to miss that, do you? No, you don't.